Hey guys, welcome to week 3. Today, I'm going to be finishing the primer for this room so I can get the floor down and I can start moving some of my things in here because I am going to be moving in 2 weeks. I'm so excited. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm back at the house. Today I'm going to be working on finishing up the drywall in the master bedroom so I can get started on mudding that. So I need to do all of these spaces up here. This space down here, and then up here. So that shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, I finished putting up the drywall pieces for the master bedroom, and this is what it looks like. So I got all of the pieces for the master bedroom itself. I still need to do the laundry room, and then I need to get mold resistant drywall for the master bath. I need to put up the drywall in the closet. And then I need the mold resistant drywall for the guest bath. And then, of course, I gotta finish the drywall in here, but I have a plumbing inspection today, so that comes first. Today, I'm gonna start mudding the master bedroom, so that way by the time it's ready for me to move in, this bedroom can be done and the floor can be put in, because my mattress is like 200 to 250 pounds, and I just want to put that in the bedroom and not have to worry about moving it. Originally, I was going to just move everything into the living room, but I'd really rather just have this space finished and ready to go. So that's what we're gonna get started on right now. Okay, I am done for today. I got drywall on my face. So I did all of the flats for the walls. My arms are a bit too tired to do the ceilings. I will do the ceilings tomorrow. This is what we got done today. And I had already happily forgotten how tedious it is to mud. But today it wasn't too hot, at least. It's been cloudy all day today. And hopefully by next week, I will have an air conditioning unit, a wall unit, so it won't be so hot working on this house. It'll be much more bearable. And then the week after, I'll be moving in, so I just need to get this room done quickly. No pressure. Okay, that's all I'm gonna be doing for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm going to be doing the corners. I don't know if I have enough energy to do the ceiling today. Honestly, I've been a little bit tired. I woke up and my back was hurting a bit, so I think we're just going to get the corners done and call it a day there. So I'm just going to be using regular tape for the corners since it's pre-creased instead of the fiber fuse that I used for the flats. I have used fiber fuse for corners and I think it works fine, but you do have to crease it. They used to make it with a crease. I don't know if they still make it, and I just didn't buy that one, but I also don't really feel like dealing with fiberglass on me today.